Hi everyone, welcome back to Study English with BJ. I'm Ben.
And I'm Jane. It's so good to see you again today.
Today, we're going to talk about your morning. You'll learn how to describe your daily routine, what you do after you wake up.
It's going to be simple, fun, and real English you can use every day.
Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss our new lessons.
All right, let's get started. Okay, Ben, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do is wake up at 7 a.m. Then I say good morning to myself because I need motivation.
That's funny. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. Then I turn off my alarm and stretch my arms.
Nice. Can you say that with us? Turn off my alarm, stretch my arms.
Good job! After that, I go to the bathroom and wash my face. I feel fresh and ready for the day.
Perfect. Let's repeat those words. Wake up, turn off your alarm, wash your face, stretch, feel fresh.
You're doing great.
Now, let's talk about breakfast, my favorite part of the morning.
Oh, really? What do you usually eat, Ben?
I usually make a cup of coffee and eat some toast.
Nice. I sometimes eat a banana or a bowl of cereal. Very quick, very easy.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I eat a banana. I make a cup of coffee.
Good. You can also add time words like I usually eat breakfast at 7:30 or I always drink coffee in the morning.
Perfect. Let's review. Make coffee, eat breakfast, toast, banana, cereal at 7:30.
Awesome work. Okay, now you're awake and full of energy. What's next?
I usually take a shower. Then I brush my teeth and get dressed.
Nice. I sometimes listen to music when I get ready. It makes my morning happy.
That's a great idea. You can say, I listen to music when I get ready, or I take a shower and get dressed.
Let's repeat together. Take a shower, brush your teeth, get dressed, listen to music.
Perfect. You're doing amazing.
Now it's time to start your day. Ben, what do you do after you get dressed?
I go to work by bus. It takes about 20 minutes.
I usually walk to work. It's short and relaxing.
If you go to school, you can say, I go to school by train, or I walk to school with my friends.
That's right. Now let's try saying your full morning routine together. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7, brush my teeth, eat breakfast, and go to work.
Perfect. Keep it simple. Keep it clear. That's real English.
Okay, everyone. Let's review today's key phrases. Wake up. Wash your face. Eat breakfast. Take a shower. Brush your teeth. Get dressed. Go to work.
Awesome job today. If you listen again and repeat, you'll remember these words easily.
We're so proud of you. Now, here's our question of the day. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to know.
And don't forget to subscribe for more real English lessons every week.
Thanks for listening to Study English with BJ.
See you next time.